Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to back up and save your microsurvey FieldGenius for Android projects. This is a great way to be able to move your projects from device to device, or just to keep, as the name suggests, a backup for posterity's sake. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open up my projects menu here, and beside the name of one of my projects here, you can see that all of the projects have these three dots. I'm going to back up my XML import file here, so I'm going to select back up. What that's going to do is it's going to create a backup file in my FieldGenius archive folder. So if I go to my FieldGenius project folder on my data collector, you will see there is an archive folder within which you can find the file you just backed up and drag it to another device or do whatever you so please with it. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you use FieldGenius for Android to back up your microsurvey FieldGenius projects. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.